Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, today we will discuss about the apiculture. It means beekeeping. You know bee it means flies. Okay guys. So honey is extracted from the nectar of the flowers and this work is specially confidentially done by the honeybees. Okay. So today we will discuss about the apiculture. So the rearing and cultivating of honey on the large scale from the economic for the economic benefits, that is called what? Apiculture. The rearing of honeybee is known as apiculture on large scale for the economic benefit. Okay guys, so whenever we talk about the beekeeping, we must have to think oneself and we must have to keep one thing in the mind, that what is the thing which can be provide the economic benefit to the farmer if we are rearing the honeybees. So guys, that is the honey. Honey is a rich source of mineral, iron, calcium and all different types of things. It is also used as an antiseptic. That's why it is mostly used in the medicine also. And being giving no any side effect, it is more preferable because it's a natural antiseptics. People used to apply it on the face whenever we have the digestive problems, whenever we have the problems of lungs related to the liver, so in this, and dysentery also. So this is a medicine also, honey, which is produced or provided by the honeybees. Guys, honey contains 60 to 70% of water and 20 to 40% ऑफ शुगर. सो नेचुरल शुगर के जगह पे भी हम लोग कभी कभी हनीज का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हनी बी को हम लोग हनी का यूज हम लोगों ने इतना कुछ जाना. एक तो कि हम मेडिसिन में यूज़ कर रहे हैं, सेकेंडली वी आर यूजिंग इट as the medicine for the digestive problems, for the disorders of the dysentery, and likewise in the liver problem also we are using it. And or keeping creating the glow on the faces also, mostly sometimes the beauty products also contains the honey. And in the winter season, consuming honey provides somewhat heat from the inner side towards to your body. And these are the uses of the honeybees. And now we are going to see that what are the advantages if a farmers do the apiculture or doing the bee. If a farmer is doing beekeeping, then he is doing another work with the work he is mainly doing. I mean to say that if a farmer is growing an orchard for the flower marketing, for the for fruits marketing, for anything, then with these practices they can continue the beekeeping also, because they have to just make one thing, beehives. And they can easily do this, because whenever the flowers will come on the plant, whenever the fruits flowers, if there are orchards of mango, lychee and anything, then the whenever the flowers will come, the honeybees collect the nectars, and they will definitely come in their comb and produce that honey. And after sometimes the farmer can extract that by the with the different processing also, processing processes. But this is the advantage, that a farmer can do it with the as a side work also, and which will provides us a extra input, additional economic benefit to them. And secondly, they can also uh, create something just like the honey wax. It's not only honey that will provide the economic benefit to the farmer, but wax also. After wax, there are royal jelly and venom also. Venom, it's a poison or toxic that is produced from the honeybee only. If honeybee strucks you, then in the medicine, just to cut out their toxicant, we use the venom of the bees. Okay, so helps in the process of cross pollination. Whenever a farmer is growing a flower orchard or a fruit orchard, this is cross pollination. We, if we are studying about the biology, we know about the cross pollination, that the transfer of pollen grain from the anther to stigma of a different plants. So whenever we do cross between the two qualities, different qualities, plants character, we cross them, then the product which we will get, that will mostly beneficial and fertile, and more attractive. If there is a flower, then it will more attractive than their parents also. So guys, it's honeybees also helps in the pollination process. So we have studied that honeybee provides extra additional economic benefit to the farmers in the first point. Second point is they can also get benefit from the from distributing or from producing the honey wax and royal jelly and venom also. And in the third point, we have seen that the advantage for beekeeping is that for the cross pollination. Okay guys, so honeybee keeps their honey in their nest, that is known as beehives. So the place where the honeybees are living, that is called the beehives. It is a comb like structure, a small holes are there, and it's a small size what we can say hole, in which the honeybee goes and leave and keeps their store their nectars, and with that nectars the honey is produced. So the shape and size of the comb depends upon the shape and size of the honeybees. The place used for the rearing of honeybees is known as apiaries. The processes for the keeping of honeys, for the producing of the eggs and laying of the larva and all their whole cycle, that contains and that is organized inside that small comb, that is called apiary. And this life cycle of honeybee is of about 16 days. They spend, starting from the egg stage they spend 3 days, and in the larva stage they spend 6 days, and after that the pupa stage comes, and they spend 7 days in that, and whole totally if you count 7 plus 6 plus 3, it will provide you 16. So this is the life cycle of the honeybee. Hope you all like this video. In this video you got the knowledge about the what is apiculture, what are the uses of the honey, and second and thirdly what are the advantages or benefit if a farmer is doing the apiculture with related to their farming also. So guys, if you liked it, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for giving your attention and love me. Don't forget to put me in the comment section about the all your ideology or your suggestions, and definitely guys I will go through it. And also make sure that your advice are always be fulfilled. So if you have the demand for the any topic related to the biology, you can put me in the comment section, and definitely I will make videos on that. Thank you guys, thank you so much.